Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Today I am going to show you a beautiful and simple Mehendi design tutorial. I want you to watch till the end. Could you please check out my channel? My channel's reach seems to be down. Maybe I got shadow banned. Please boost my channel with your support. By liking my videos, sharing them with your friends, and trying out my designs, you can help increase my channel's reach. Don't forget to DM me your design pics on Insta. I'll share them on my story. See you in the next video.